In this video, we're covering equations with brackets. So for these problems, these equations, we need to expand the expression first, and then we solve as usual. So what we're going to be focusing on today is what we call the arrow method. So each arrow represents multiplication. So you can see with the red arrow, it's 2 times x, which is 2x. And then with the green arrow, it's 2 times 2, which is 4. So we end up with 2x plus 4. So we're going to jump in and we're going to solve a problem here. So the first thing we need to do is expand this. So I'll draw my arrows. We get 2 times m, which is 2m. 2 times 3, which is 6. And we know that equals 8. Now remember, with equations, we want the numbers on one side and the letters on the other side. So I'm going to minus this 6 from both sides. They cancel out. I'm left with 2m on this side equals 8 take away 6, which is 2. I then need to separate the 2 and the m here. Alright, I would choose a different color so here. And remember, this is the same as having 2 times m. So the opposite of times is division. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. They cancel out and we're left with m equals 1. If we then move on to a more complicated one, we've got 2 bracketed expressions, so we need to expand these first. So we're going to expand both in the same way. So the first small red arrow is 8 times m, which is 8m. The long red arrow is 8 times 2, so 16. We then have 5 times m for the top small arrow, and for the bottom 5 times 5, which is 25. I'm going to focus on minusing the 16 first, so minus 16 minus 16. We're left with 8m equals 5m plus 9. I then want to get rid of this 5m. Now we're getting rid of 5m together, so I'm not splitting it, so minus 5m. They cancel out. If 8 take away 5 is 3m equals 9. And then finally we need to split the 3 and the m, and that's division. Those 3's cancel out. M equals 3. Alright, we're going to do one more. So we expand first, as always, with both sides here. We get 5m plus 30 plus 10 equals 3m plus 6 plus 20. At this point, we're looking to combine our like terms. So these are like terms, and these are like terms. So we get 5m plus 40 equals 3m plus 26. We're going to minus 40 from both sides. They cancel out. 5m equals 3m. Take away 14. Minus 3m. Minus 3m. That cancels out. 5m take away 3m is 2m equals negative 14. Let's split the 2 and the m up by dividing by 2. We're left over with m equals negative 7. So one step at a time, and we use your arrows to represent our expansion. So we expand those brackets first, and then we combine any like terms if they exist at the time, and then one step as normal, doing your inverse operations until you get down to a letter equals a number.